group hug and my invitation got lost.
It's comedy with all the trimmings.
I hope you like dry turkey because we're going to be here a while.
Sorry, Ma, your sides are good.
Be thankful for a new Goldberg, speechless, modern, and housewife.
I am going upstairs to change it to my buffet standard.
It's a funny feast, and everyone's invited. Happy cakes.
Go round the back.
Somebody's blocking the door.
It's me. Go round.
It's all new Wednesday on ABC.
This Sunday, ABC blows the lid off Live. With performances by Kelly Clarkson, Pink, Demi Lovato, BTS, and Selena Gomez in a world premiere performance. A tribute to the bodyguard with Christina Aguilera. And Diana Ross performs and receives the award for Lifetime Achievement. The American Music Awards. Live Sunday at 7 Central on ABC.
We've got this something history. Today on the chip.
My friend, here's the story of extraordinary So, Connie and I are going through the history of one of America's favorite side dishes, macaroni and cheese. And now it's time to dig into this American version of the recipe that we started. I am just...
Careful, gonna knock it over. Careful, don't knock stuff over, buddy. Don't knock stuff over. Hey, my good kitty. Come on, quit. Meow. Meow. Hey, my kitty. Huh? Meow meow. Gonna talk? Meow meow. Kitty. Meow meow. Meow meow. Meow. Kitty. Who's my kitty? My buddy, huh? What's up, dude? I know, he was sleeping, huh? Oh, my boy. Oh, my boy. Oh, he's my good kitty.